is Uphoria a scam or not? So in today's video, I will be explaining everything about Uphoria from beginning to the end. What you just need to do is to watch this video to the very end so that you will not make mistake. So that is it. So as you can see, this is my total balance. I'm having $95 as you can see my total balance. So first thing I will start from the referral bonus. So that is where I will start. So on this website, when you refer someone to this platform, you will earn 7.5, I think so. 7.5, I think so. So and that money is withdrawable when you have $14. That is, yes, $14. When you have $14, it is withdrawable. And the day that you can be able to withdraw this money is on Tuesday and on Friday. That is when you will be able to withdraw this money. So, and they also have click and earn. So this click and earn, you can only withdraw it on second of each month, and you must have minimum of 50,000, that is $50, before you will be able to withdraw it. And there's also something called AI on this website. You can only withdraw that money at the end at you can also you can only withdraw it on the second of each month, and the minimum and the threshold is $50. That is the minimum withdrawal is $50. If you do not have $50, you will be unable to withdraw it according to Uphoria. And there's also one that is called tax what. So it is only withdrawable on second of each month, and the minimum withdrawal is 50,000. And there is also color splash on this platform. So let me just show you how it was. What you just need to do is to just click it. As you can see, introduction. You are needed to click on a color, and if it matches the number displayed, then you get a reward of $5. So if you click on anyone and it matches this number, then you will be rewarded with $5 according to Uphoria. And there are many more other things on this platform that you can do. But to be honest and sincere, I don't think this AI, I don't think, I don't think, but I don't think it will be withdrawable. So platform like this, if you can refer, if you are good at referring, then you can continue. But if you are not good at referring, please do not invest your money on this platform. Never you try invest your money on this platform, because your money will totally be gone like that. So if you cannot refer, please do not invest your money here. That is what I am trying to say. So if you know that you cannot refer, do not invest your money here. How can someone, if it is like that people will be earning money, I'll have many accounts as possible. You just wake up in the morning, redeem, and you just get 1,500 naira. Total, it will be 2,000 naira every day. Then when you have like 5 accounts, you know how much you'll be earning in a day. So if it is like that people dashes money, everybody will become everybody will have become rich by now. I think so. So it's not that the platform is not paying; it is paying for real, but it is only those that can refer. They are the ones that are earning money from this platform. You cannot refer, please do not invest your money. That is what that is the message that I'm trying to pass. So do not mind all those people on TikTok, YouTube, saying all sort of rubbish that you do this, do that, you earn from this, you do not mind them. You can only earn from this platform through referring. That is it. I don't know if they will pay from the AI, but to be sincere, they will only pay those that refer. That is what I'm saying. So I think I'm done with it. So I just want to pass the message to you. And if this video is so helpful to you, please smash the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be among those that will be notified instantly. So I think that is all. Thank you for watching.